Hi there everybody, it's UK independent demonstrator Halsey here from slimandstylish.com. Thank you for joining me today. Today's video features this adorable stamp set from the Sale-a-bration catalogue called Little Ladybug. It's a cling stamp set and it's from the Sale-a-bration catalogue, but it's different in respect of this is a host stamp set. So let me explain this one to you because I'm sure you're going to want to know how you can get this stamp set because it's beautiful. You can't buy it. So as you've probably heard through Sale-a-bration, if you spend £45 of Stampin' Up items, you get a free item from the catalogue. If you spend £90, you either get 2 free level 1 items or 1 of the level 2 items, and that's how it works all the way through. The meerkats, for instance, are a level 1 item, so you can get them for £45. The dies up here are a level 2 item, so you can get them with a £90 purchase, and that's how Sale-a-bration works. Through Sale-a-bration, you get extra rewards. So if you spend £150, you get 10% back, so you get £15 that you can spend in Stampin' Up. If you have a £275 order, you get 12% back that you can spend in Stampin' Up, but then you will also get the Little Ladybug free. Okay, so let me explain this one to you. If you spend £275, and I can tell you how you can do this in a second, you get 12% back. So at 12% back, that's £33. So you get that free to spend on anything that you want. You will also get your Sale-a-bration rewards. So for £45 you get a level 1, so £45.90. This is where my maths goes completely wrong. 135, 180, 220. So you'll get 6 Sale-a-bration rewards. So you can either order 6 of the level 1 items or 3 of the level 2 items or however you want to go, but then you will also get Little Ladybug free. Now £275 is a lot to spend in the catalogue, but you do get those great rewards with them. What you could do is you could host a party. If I live local to you, I'm happy to come along and we can do a party, and all of the sales at that party will count towards the £275. So if you have 4 people at your party, you only need to sell a quarter of this and you will get all of this, if you see what I mean, if each person spends the same. Or if you and one of your friends is a crafter, or perhaps you know a group of crafters, you could get out the catalogue, go around and you could order what you liked and put it as one order, which would come to £275. You'd get your 6 Sale-a-bration items to share between you, the £33, and you would also get the stamp set. So that's how that works. You can either get a party or you can have a group of yourself, or the catalogue is so awesome, I'm pretty sure you will get £275 over the 3 months that this is available for anyway. Okay? So for this stamp set, this is the Little Ladybug stamp set. This is what I've made or used to make it. I have a piece of Whisper White that is 9.5 centimetres by 13.8. This is my background bit, and my Memento ink pad, which I've just left up here above my light, so I'm sorry if the light flickered on and off them. I'm going to stamp in my little ladybugs down the bottom. They're doing a little dance. This is the cutest set ever, isn't it? I love it. And the thank you. Because obviously if anyone spends with me, I'm going to want to send them thank you cards. And this is just a fun set to receive as a thank you card. I also have some scrap Whisper White just here, which doesn't look scrap because it's a new piece of scrap. Normally all my scraps are cut out of and got bits of ink all over. This one is a fresh scrap. I'm just going to stamp my little ladybug there. Oh, he's so cute. And I'm going to punch him out using the 2-inch circle punch. With his little flower. tell you what I actually do like from this set. I like the ladybug, which I'm pretty sure is what you're supposed to like, or where I am in the UK we call them ladybirds. I like the flower. I think that's so cute. I've made a few different cards that is going to be featured on my blog. Let me just grab them. Sneak peek, these might not have been on my blog yet. So don't tell anyone. I've made these ones with them, and I've used the flowers for them. I think they're lovely. Gorgeous, gorgeous. So anyway, there he is, and I'm using Poppy Parade to colour him in. So the dark Poppy Parade around the edge, and there and there, and then the light Poppy Parade just to fill the rest in. Now ordinarily I'd give him a little pink flower, but because I've used a lot of red, I decided to go with a blue flower. So this is Balmy Blue. Love Balmy Blue. And then I've used Petal Pink to colour in the body because I thought it looked a bit too white. So I did the dark bits around there, and I gave him dark cheeks. And then I came in with a light Petal Pink and I just blended him all together. Isn't he adorable? For the bottom bit here, I just used the light Poppy Parade, and I just went over the whole thing. I didn't even bother going around the circles. No, lazy, but it doesn't make any difference because the circles are black, so they shine through either way. There we go. I have a piece of Poppy Parade to put it onto. I have cut the Poppy Parade to the same height, which is unusual. Normally I like the frame all the way around, but on this card I liked it like this. So this is 10 centimetres wide, but it's still 13.8 centimetres high. And for this bit here, because I don't like wasting cardstock, and this is going to be completely hidden, I'm going to cut it out the base. Yep. Why waste a new sheet when you can cut it out, because this is going to be hidden anyway. That's my thought. Oh, before I stick it down, I did the ribbon. Let me show you how I did the ribbon. This is from the new mini catalogue, and it's the white seam binding ribbon. I'm just going to grab some scrap paper and the light Poppy Parade. I'm going to use the brush tip. I'm just going to colour this in. Sometimes when you colour the ribbon, you have to flip the ribbon over and colour the other side. Not with this one, people. This ribbon just goes straight through. It is as if it was meant for colouring. It's amazing. The other way you could do it, the messy way you could do it, is you could put it in a little bag and you could put a little bit of the re-inker in and you could squish it all together, which is fun, but messy. I like doing it this way. Now I'm useless at this. I never get it right as to how much I need to colour or not. So I'm just going to colour a little bit extra than I think I need. I think I just need that. I'm going to add a couple more inches onto it just in case. I'm doing a very good job of missing the ribbon, by the way. I'm going to leave that to the side. See what, I can't wait for it to dry because I need it now, so I'm just going to run it at my grid paper to make sure there's no... When you're doing it onto a Whisper White, I always worry that it's going to bleed and make the Whisper White dirty. Wouldn't want that. Let's just check the back. Yeah, it's not making it dirty, it's fine. So I'll loop that across. pop it into a bow. I want to pop it into a side bow, so I'm going to turn the paper across to make sure that it's going into the shape of the bow on the side rather than full on. It's a good job I gave it that extra couple of inches, isn't it? I can never work out how much ribbon I'm going to actually need for the bow. So there we go, there's my bow. We go into the side of the card. Just going to make it a little bit smaller so it looks a little bit neater. But as it's crinkled seam binding, it really doesn't need to look that neat. There we go, some scissors. Got some scissors somewhere. Just the right amount. Must have known. I didn't have a clue. I'm going to pop, where's he gone? There we go. I'm going to stick him flat onto here, and then I'm going to pop the whole thing up on dimensionals over the top of the ribbon. Two dimensionals left, that's lucky. One at his head, one at his feet. Oh no, there was a third one. Could have got away with it. There we go. So stick him down in the middle. And then to make this tight so I know where it is, I'm going to use my glue dots. Once I've found where I put them. They're there. Can't see for looking. Just going to pop a glue dot underneath the ribbon so it stays in the place that I want it, because I have done it a bit loose at the back, you see. And then I'm going to stick this down onto my piece of Poppy Parade. Like that. And then I have my card base already cut and scored. So this is a piece of A4 paper cut in half and scored in half. And I'm just going to pop that down, grab my bone folder and burnish it. And then stick this onto there. And that is the card. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you like the Ladybird or Ladybug set. I hope I've explained well enough how you can get it, but just drop me a message if it's confusing to you. But if you do have a group of friends, it is much better to place one order all together, and then you could get this set and perhaps share it among you all. Alright, thanks for joining me today. Do head over to my website, slimandstylish.com. If you click on the header and click buy, you can see all the items that are available in my store to be able to get you to the catalogue spend. You can also see a copy of both of the catalogues there, as well as a Sale-a-bration catalogue. If you've liked this video, do subscribe and check out for all of my others. Thank you. Bye.